So my lady, be sincere. Just be accountable. Go be accountable.